how to create $100 per day using a free method, guys. In this video I will show you step by step. I will show you the proofs, and you can see on the screen, guys. I am using this method, and this method is very powerful, and it requires no professional skills, and you can do it easily with a smartphone or using your tablet, laptop. And this method is required no skill, no website, all free traffic, and I will show you all the steps you need to set up and start earning today. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm showing real value and my honest opinion and honest method that I am using, and I will share with you. So let's jump into the video.
So we are on my computer screen. So first of all, I open Digistore24 and then click on register now. We will create an account on digistore24.com, as we will click the affiliate box, and then we will write a username. You can select any of username. We will write something, for example, free money. So this is not available. I can write 24. Okay, now this your affiliate link, you can see it will be, and you will write an email. And so after writing your email, you will repeat the email. You can copy and paste it in this. And so after this, you are required to enter a password, and then you are required to write your name, and you are required to input your street address. And I will, for the sake of the test, I am testing it. I am only showing this for you, for only those guys, those people who don't know how to register on this site. So you have to put your address. You can put any, for example, city or Alabama and this is not my city, although, but you will put your original city. So you will put your original city because that is necessary. And then you will check this box, and after that you will that you will click on register now. So there will be set your, then we will go to Gmail and verify after clicking that link, and we will verify by entering our password, and then click, and you are verified email. You have verified your email. Then you input your login information that we now created, like our username and password. So then you have to log in this, and here you have to verify your phone number. That is important before you promote any of your link. You can't promote. Then you have to click view as affiliate. So after viewing as affiliate, you will click on marketplace, and after clicking marketplace, you come to here. There are a lot of different physical and digital product here. You can choose from a lot of 250 plus products, and they are digital and also physical. And one thing is that there is an artificial intelligence system that will show you which product, at the top of which product is selling right now very much. Right now which product is on top, and here is total price, and 136 is the price that you will earn. It means 85% is this commission, and there is card conversion, means 36 people will 28 people will buy out of 100 people. And His card conversion is 3. This is Matt YouTuber, and this is 50% commission. You will earn $400 on promoting this. Its price is almost $1,000, and you can see the cancellation and card rate. And one thing is, we will, for this tutorial, we go to business and money related, and there we will promote. This product is by a YouTuber, Wesley, and although I'm not promoting this product, but for the sake of this tutorial I will show you how to copy this link. You can promote any of the product. I am not suggesting you to promote this, or you can sort it yourself. Then we will go to bitly.com and sort our URL, and then we will copy that URL, that shorted URL. So for this tutorial I will use Facebook groups that are in make money niche, because I am promoting internet marketing product. If I am promoting internet marketing product, then I will join all these groups, and after joining all these groups I will click on these. I will join as many as I can. You can see the notification. I am approved in one of the group. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please be subscribed to my channel. And now I will show you how you can post your link, and how you can avoid being a spam, and how you can effectively sort out the people who are interested in your product, in your affiliate product, so you can get your commission and daily. So you have to do is to join as many groups, Facebook groups on your particular product niche, and then you have to go on this discussion. Like there you can see a lot of posts, and then in this method I will not be spamming. I will not be posting my link. I will be posting something like hey, hello, and hello guys, I will show you. You can post anything in this post, and you will tell all these members that they contact you in comments, and then you can inbox. You can chat with them in inbox, and in inbox you will convince them about the product, and you will tell them about the product, and then after that you will share your affiliate link with them in your inbox after they contact you, and or if they comment in your post, and then you can go to their inbox. So this is the method, and you can easily earn $100 per day by using this method. This is a very powerful method, and guys, please subscribe to my channel, because I am showing you real value and honest opinion. And subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.